Welcome to AmazingTechProducts.com. I'm your host, Keith Washoe. Today we're going to offer you a very helpful video, a resolution this year on how to be smart when you're out looking and buying tech products. So here's our top 10 list on what to do and how to be smart when buying amazing tech products. Number 1, know what you really want in a tech product. What do you really need it to do for you? What do you really need to pay for? For instance, if you're looking to buy an MP3 player, do you really want it to play photos for you? Is that important to you? If not, then you don't need to buy an MP3 player that has a color screen. You see, oftentimes the extra features and benefits will cost you more. If you don't need them, then you don't have to pay for it. For instance, a lot of karaoke files can be played on specific MP3 players, but they are more expensive for those features. If you don't need to listen and sing along to music on an MP3 player, for instance, something that's really amazing, then you don't need to pay for it. So know what you want and know what you're paying for. Number 2 on the top 10 list is always go at first and foremost with the brand that you can really trust. If you're buying a new and innovative product, there's world-leading brands like HP, Dell, Creative Labs, Sony, SanDisk. Companies like that you know you can trust that have high quality standards. So always start there. The third on the list is really do check into the warranties. On the back of a lot of tech products, you can usually find what the company offers in terms of the warranty. Oftentimes it's 90 days, sometimes it's a 1-year warranty. Bottom line is you want to check that to make sure that you're getting a great tech product and you're covered in case anything does go wrong. The fourth helpful tip, read product reviews. There's a lot of great sites out there, whether it's ePinions or CNET, that looks at these tech products and gives you the lowdown, the good, the bad, the ugly on what they're about. And if you see a lot of reviews with a lot of high stars, pretty much sure you could trust that product to be a good one for you. Number 5, what I believe is the most important, is don't always be the first one to go buy a product when it hits the shelves. The reality is, oftentimes, manufacturers will rush to ship a product and make a deadline, and oftentimes those products might have a few bugs. They might be getting new firmware that will be coming out soon that fixes a lot of known issues. The truth is, if you just wait a couple weeks, oftentimes those first products that sometimes have bugs will be flushed to the shelves, and you can be assured that you're going to get a more stable product. Just a word of advice, don't always rush, and as you know, tech products, the prices often do come down about 45 days after launch, so not only can you get a more stable product, but oftentimes you can get it for a better price. Alright, the 6th step, if you do get a product, has a great brand, you read the warranty, you've done your review checking, when you bring it home, do check for firmware updates if they do have firmware updates. Just connect them to the computer, go check out the website, and download the latest. Oftentimes they will fix known issues and bugs just to make sure that your amazing tech product is working fine. Number 7 on how to be smart when buying tech products, and this is another really important one, is be smart about when you buy tech products. You see, there are certain times of the year when you're guaranteed to get the best price. And the number 1 time is Black Friday. That is the day after Thanksgiving when tech companies put out these products at jaw-dropping pricing just for you. Other times to buy are back to school, dads and grads, moms and proms time, and yes, even little holidays like Valentine's Day, you'll often see webcam specials 2 for 1, things like that. So be smart about when you buy. Number 8, they come with 1-800 numbers, a lot of these tech products. Don't be afraid to call the 1-800 number, ask questions, get a good feel on the product, and if you buy it, call the 1-800 number if you have a problem. Don't think that it's all your fault when you try to install a product. Oftentimes they are buggy, so don't be afraid to use the 1-800 number. Number 9 on the top 10, feel comfortable and confident that if you bring a product home, you can return it if it's not working for you or not happy with it. Tech products are famous for having very good return policies, especially the retailers. Don't be afraid to return it. Again, even if you buy it and you notice the price goes down a week later, interesting enough, in the consumer electronics industry, you can return them and get that new lower price as well. So check into that. And lastly, the most important, top 10 final reason and what to do when buying amazing tech products this year is check out AmazingTechProducts.com for all your fix on amazing technology products. So hope that was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. I'm your host, Keith Washoe. We'll see you soon at AmazingTechProducts.com.